Welcome to a presentation on A-level mathematics. My name is Ben Hubbard, the head of the mathematics faculty, and I'm going to lead you through this presentation to try and provide you with good reasons why you should be choosing to study mathematics at A-level in Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth. Why choose to study mathematics? A-level mathematics is the most acceptable qualification for universities and employers alike. It's difficult to think of a course or a job where A-level mathematics would not be seen as an impressive qualification to have on your CV. A-level mathematics is an appropriate qualification for the following career choices: engineering, physics, computing, accountancy, economics, business, banking, psychology, marketing, architecture, surveyor, cartography, teaching and education, of course, and many other career choices as well. The mathematical skills developed at A-level, such as problem solving, reasoning, statistical analysis, are closer to the skills required in real-life work situations than those skills perhaps developed in many other subjects at A-level. This means that A-level mathematics does give students a distinct advantage in the jobs market. A shortage of numerate candidates in the jobs market means that employers will pay a premium for the problem-solving abilities of an A-level mathematics student. So why choose to study mathematics at Maes y Gwendraeth? The mathematics faculty's A-level results are up there with the best results in the school, and also in comparison with other departments across Carmarthenshire and also Wales. Within the department, we have teachers that are very experienced at teaching A-level for many, many years, and also some teachers that are examiners for WJC and have had experience in marking the papers that the pupils will sit in the summertime. The A-level mathematics course works well in conjunction with other subjects. The mechanics element of the course develops skills which will be useful in electronics, technology, and physics. The statistics element of the course develops the data analysis skills that will be beneficial in geography, chemistry, and biology. So taking A-level maths in conjunction with some of these subjects would be very beneficial to the student. So what do we study in mathematics at A-level? At AS level in Year 12, there are two units, the Pure Mathematics A unit and the Applied Mathematics A unit. The Pure Mathematics unit makes up 62.5% of the overall grade at AS level. The Applied Mathematics, the remaining 37.5%. There will be an exam in both units at the end of the year, both being 2.5 hours long. The Pure Maths course in Year 12 includes work on differentiation, integration, quadratic equations, binomial expansions, trigonometric equations, coordinate geometry, proof, graph transformations, and polynomials. The Applied Maths course includes work on probability, Venn diagrams, binomial and Poisson distributions, sampling, proving hypothesis, equations of motion, forces, and vectors. The AS level contributes towards 40% of the overall mark if going on to do the full A level. The remaining 60% is studied in Year 13. In Year 13, it follows a similar structure to Year 12 with two units, Pure Mathematics and Applied Mathematics, and similar grading with regards to the Pure Maths taking up 62.5% of this year's work and the Applied Maths 37.5%. In Pure Maths in Year 13, we build on the work done in Year 12, so studying arithmetical and geometric series, implied and parametric differentiation, partial fractions, integration by parts and also by substitution, studying modulus, functions, and sectors and arc length. In applied maths, we look at the uniform and normal distributions, probability trees, conditional probability, again proving more hypotheses. Then in the mechanics element, we look at kinematics, trigonometry, forces, and Newton's laws of motion. Why study mathematics through the medium of Welsh at Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth? This is a question that is often asked in parents' evenings. Bilingual mathematicians have an advantage in the jobs market, especially here in Wales, find it easier to learn new languages if their work should take them abroad, can understand and appreciate different cultures, and can contribute to and profit from a bilingual society in Carmarthenshire and across Wales. Despite this, all mathematical terminology will also be provided in English should any of our students continue to study mathematics at higher education outside of Wales. This would mean that they would not be at a disadvantage should they continue their studies in mathematics through the medium of English in the future. So, is studying A-level mathematics appropriate for you? In order to study A-level mathematics, you must have studied the higher tier GCSE course, achieved an A star, an A or a B grade in mathematics and mathematics numeracy at GCSE level. In order to be successful at A-level mathematics, you must be able to work independently on tasks and revision, and show persistence in problem solving and demonstrate an excellent work ethic. If these points relate to you, I can safely say that you would benefit greatly from choosing to study mathematics at A-level and would find the course very, very enjoyable. Thank you very much for listening.